It's a big day for both India's biggest tax evader Hassan Ali Khan and the Enforcement Directorate, which is probing the case against him. Mumbai Sessions Court will today decide if the ED should get Hassan Ali Khan's custody or Ali be granted bail. On Wednesday, the court had pulled up the ED, saying that they had no solid proof against Hassan Ali Khan and hence could not demand his custody. The Enforcement Directorate was given 24 hours to complete its homework and come back with enough evidence to nail India's biggest con man. Right now, we are being joined live by Megha from the Mumbai Sessions Court. Megha, isn't the onus really on the Enforcement Directorate today to make a watertight case and present a watertight case before the Mumbai Sessions Court, or they face the real possibility of Hassan Ali Khan walking free on bail?
Well, the onus is definitely on the Enforcement Directorate. It's always been, in this case, on the Enforcement Directorate. And, you know, this time, today, it's going to be very interesting to see with what fresh evidence or what fresh arguments do they come up with. Because yesterday, they pretty much opened all their cards. None of the evidences that they claimed was strong and watertight, very clinching evidences against Hassan Ali Khan were accepted by the Special Sessions Judge ML Tahiliani. He rejected one after the other, even reprimanded them for getting documents or the source of which was unknown to the Enforcement Directorate, and then relying on it and even asking the judge to rely on something like that. In fact, you know, when the judge was hearing the entire arguments, he in fact went on to the extent of saying, for how long do you want me to hear all these senseless things? That they make no sense to me. These arguments that you're making does not go on to prove that there has been any crime that has been committed by this person. In fact, he said that, you know, you try and make even a simple case of forgery out against this person and I'll give you custody, but you are not being able to make a single case out against him, let alone a simple case. You've brought him here, you've charged him with Prevention of Money Laundering Act, and you are not in a position to provide me with any strong proof that can go ahead and make out a case against him. So on what grounds am I supposed to give you custody for this person? The judge yesterday adjourned the case so as to give time to the Enforcement Directorate to go back, look into what they have in this particular case, come back with fresh arguments and evidences. But it's, you know, absolutely impossible for the Enforcement Directorate to bring up anything new overnight. They will today again be relying on the same set of evidences that they had brought to the court yesterday, something that was already rejected. One would really want to see what are the fresh arguments, if they have been able to tweak anything around, what is it new, what new they are going to tell the judge today and try and convince him, because yesterday the judge was not convinced at all and he was in no mood to grant any sort of custody, because he said there is no case in the first place. The Enforcement Directorate is unable to prove that the money transfer that has happened from one account to the other account of Hassan Ali, or probably Hassan Ali's account to someone else's account, that money has come from dirty sources, that probably is proceeds of crime. There is no case that they have been able to prove before the court, so there is no question of custody.
All right,
one would wait and see, you know,
it will be quite clear today whether the Enforcement Directorate will be able to present a watertight case before the Mumbai Sessions Court today or not.